In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a curve to a mesh in Blender. This process is super useful when you need more control over the details of your 3D model, allowing you to utilize the full range of modeling tools available in Blender. Let's dive right in and begin the conversion process. First, make sure your Blender application is open. If you haven't already downloaded it, you'll want to hop over to Blender's website and grab the latest version. Now, start a new project in Blender. As you begin, you'll notice some default objects in your scene. These are usually there to help you get started, but for our purpose today, it's best to start with a clean slate. To do this, press the A key to select all objects in the scene, and then click Delete to clear everything out. With a blank canvas in front of you, it's time to add a curve. Press Shift and A simultaneously to bring up the Add menu. Hover over the curve option to see a list of curve types. For today, let's select Bezier. But remember, you can choose any type of curve that best suits your project. Once the curve is added, press Tab to enter Edit mode. This is where all the magic happens as you adjust your curve to take on the shape you envision. Utilize the G key to move control points, R to rotate them, and S to scale them. And here's a little tip. You can press E to extrude and create more of your curve if needed. After you're satisfied with the adjustments, press Tab once more to return to object mode. You should now see your refined curve in its entirety. Next, you'll want to take a look at the right sidebar of your interface and click on the data icon, which looks like a little curve. Here, you'll find options to tweak your curve further. For instance, under the geometry section, you can add some depth or even extrude, experimenting until you achieve the desired look. Now, for the main conversion, make sure your curve is still selected. A simple right-click will open a new menu where you'll find the Convert To option. Hover over it and select Mesh. At this point, if you glance at the upper right, you'll notice that your curve object has now morphed into a mesh object. To inspect the changes, press Tab to switch back to Edit mode. Your original curve has transformed into vertices, edges, and faces. A true mesh form. Congratulations, you've successfully converted a curve into a mesh. Now you have the freedom to edit just like any other mesh object in Blender using the wide range of modeling tools at your disposal. I hope this guide has been clear and helpful for your projects. Happy modeling, and stay creative.